Hi, just a really super quick intro to our mycology tins. These kits were designed really for people wanting to get growing and be confident in growing in any space they've got, because they're super handy. And we've got 6 varieties. Again, we've chosen those ones because growing commercially we grew, loads and loads of varieties, but we chose those ones because they're the quickest and easiest to grow. So you get the 4 blocks of coir, so you can grow 4 pots, but they will regrow once you've harvested them. So you can get 8 blocks, 8 cuts from them. If you're going to grow microgreens or buy them from a farm shop or anything like that, you get 30 gram pannets and they're about £3.50 each. That's what we used to retail at them. They probably are more now because they are, I wouldn't say expensive, they're a valuable commodity. They're really good, they're really healthy, really tasty. You don't tend to get them in supermarkets because of the shelf life of transporting, and obviously once you're harvesting something and then it's being transported, it's losing that nutrition. So having them in your own home, and you can just harvest as you grow, as you go, makes it really easy. So super inclusive instructions are included. It's also links to our group and help and things like that. Then we've got the little measuring wooden spoon because it's just helpful to do it out of the tin. Tin's got a good few thousand seeds in. Garden centre you might get 50 to 100 seeds for £3, organic seeds probably, and obviously 4 blocks of the organic vegan peat-free coir. So I'm just going to pour some hot water. I've used boiling water to pour over because it's just really quicker with the coir, it just expands quicker. But again, you don't have to use that, it just takes a little bit longer. It gives you an idea in there of how much water to put over, but just go slowly. And again, if you have any problems with over watering, I can help you there as well, because it's not the end of the world when it looks like it has been drowned or it's like a swimming pool in there. So I'm just flattering that off. I mean, you can get a fork and do that. You don't need a lot of coir, you don't need it deep, you just need a thin base because they're not growing for that long, and if you've got a real thick growing medium, it can actually cause problems with the plant's roots, and not, and mould and things like that. So you don't need a lot, hence these have been highly tested by us. Just a thin base like that. So that goes on perfectly. That is still feeling damp to the touch. You want it to look like brownie mixture. So if you've done it and it's dry, just keep adding a little bit of water until it's sort of wet. If you spread it out and it still feels a little bit dry, or you have to dash off and you haven't finished, you can just then give it a sprinkling of water using like a rose tip watering can or a rinse out detergent spray bottle, just to dampen the surface, because that's what will make the seeds germinate. They need water. So I've got broccoli here, just a few, not too dense, because again you can get clumping and things. So I'm just doing sort of 3 in there. So there's loads of seeds, and I am going to then water it because they need that water to germinate. And when you sort of put it on, you think, oh, it looks like I've drowned it. It's not a problem. And actually I've just used my finger just to make sure that the seeds are covered in water. And again, if it is looking like you think that you've drowned it, you can get a bit of tissue, kitchen roll or something, and you can literally put it on top, and you'll see, like kitchen paper absorbs water, it will pull that excess water off of it, so it's not a problem. So there we go, that is what it looks like there. And you can put the lid back on like that and leave it for a few days, and then I will do another video bringing them into the light, and then I can show you also, instead of waiting until these ones have grown and you plant in the next batch, how you can use this to do the next one so you keep it continuous growing.